In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. If you're facing issues where Meta AI functionalities aren't visible or operational in your WhatsApp, don't worry. I've got a few solutions you can try to get everything up and running smoothly. First, let's ensure your WhatsApp app is up to date. Head over to the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device or the App Store for iOS. Check for any updates available for WhatsApp. Keeping the app updated is crucial as some features, especially ones like Meta AI, require the latest version to function correctly. Once you've updated, don't forget to restart the app. This can sometimes help refresh features that aren't appearing the way they should. If you're using an Android phone, you might also consider clearing your cache. To do this, go to your device's settings, navigate to apps, find WhatsApp, and then click on storage to access the clear cache option. Be cautious though, because if you decide to clear data instead of just the cache, it might sign you out and potentially lose some settings. So it's a good idea to back up your chats beforehand if you're going beyond just clearing the cache. Another thing to check is the compatibility of your device and operating system. Meta AI features are often designed for newer devices and OS versions. If you're using an older phone or a very outdated OS, this could be the reason features aren't showing up. Additionally, if your device runs on a custom ROM or a heavily modified manufacturer user interface, there could be compatibility quirks that need attention. It's also important to take a look at your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can hinder the performance of certain features. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if this change helps improve the visibility or functionality of the Meta AI features in your app. Keep in mind that regional rollout and availability play a significant role. Even if your app and device are updated and compatible, Meta AI might not be enabled for your region just yet. Rollouts can be phased, so it's possible your friends might have it available before you do. Next, verify your language settings within the app. Users have noted that selecting a supported language, like English, can sometimes activate features that are designed for specific locales. Alongside this, check the app permissions to ensure that WhatsApp has the necessary access to your device's storage, microphone, and other elements. As a last resort, you might consider reinstalling WhatsApp. Before you do so, remember to back up your chats by going into Settings, then Chats, and selecting Chat Backup. Once your data is secure, uninstall WhatsApp, then reinstall it from the official store, and during setup, restore your chats. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving the issue of Meta AI not appearing on your WhatsApp. If problems persist, it might be worth reaching out to WhatsApp support for further guidance.